Cocos Island. Author D. Selzer-McKenzie. Cocos Island, Spanish, Isla del Coco, is an island located off the shore of Costa Rica. It constitutes the 11th district (1 right) 1 of 13, of Punta Arenas canton of the province of Punta Arenas. (1 right). It is one of the national parks of Costa Rica. It is located in the Pacific Ocean, approximately 550 kilometers, 340 miles, from the Pacific shore of Costa Rica. (2 right) at show location on an interactive map. (05 degrees 3108 N 087 degrees 0418 W/5.51889 degrees N 87.07167 degrees W/5.51889 87.07167), with an area of approximately 23.85 kilometers (2), 9.2 miles (2), about 8 multiplication 3 kilometers, 5 multiplication 1.9 miles, and a perimeter of around 23.3 kilometers (3 right). This island is more or less rectangular in shape. Surrounded by deep waters with counter currents, Cocos Island is admired by scuba divers for its populations of hammerhead sharks, rays, dolphins and other large marine species. The extremely wet climate and oceanic character give Cocos an ecological character that is not shared with either the Galapagos archipelago or any of the other islands, for example, Malpelo or Coiba, in this region of the world. Cocos Island was declared a Costa Rican national park by means of executive decree in 1978. (5 right) Cocos Island National Park was designated a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1997. In 2002, the World Heritage Site designation was extended to include an expanded marine zone of 1,997 kilometers (2). In addition, it is included in the list of wetlands of international importance. (6 right). Cocos Island was shortlisted as a candidate to be one of the new 7 Wonders of Nature by the New 7 Wonders of the World Foundation. As of February 2009, it was ranking 3rd in Group B, the category for islands. (7 right). Thanks to the breathtaking marine life in its waters, see fauna section below. Cocos Island was named one of the best 10 scuba diving spots in the world by PADI, Professional Association of Diving Instructors, and must do, according to diving experts. (8 right). For many, the main attractions are the large pelagic species, which are very abundant in this unique meeting point between deep and shallow waters. The largest schools of hammerhead sharks in the world are consistently reported there. Encounters with dozens if not hundreds of these and other large animals are nearly certain in every dive. Smaller and colorful species are also abundant in one of the most extensive and rich reefs of the southeastern Pacific. (9 right). The famous oceanographer Jacques Cousteau visited the island several times and in 1994 called it the most beautiful island in the world. These numerous accolades highlight the urgent need to protect Cocos Island and surrounding waters from illegal large-scale fishing, poaching and other problems. See threats section below. The only persons allowed to live on Cocos Island are Costa Rican park rangers, who have established 2 encampments, including one at English Bay. Tourists and ship crew members are allowed ashore only with permission of island rangers, and are not permitted to camp, stay overnight or collect any flora, fauna or minerals from the island. This island is popular in pirate lore as well. It is said that over 300 expeditions have gone in search of treasure such as the hoard of Benito Bonito, the treasure of Lima, and many others. Some incidents of small caches have been discovered, left square bracket citation needed right square bracket leading many to believe the stories of vast pirate treasures to be valid. Cocos Island is an oceanic island of both volcanic and tectonic origin. It is the only emergent island of the Cocos Plate, one of the minor tectonic plates. An argon-potassium radiometric determination established the age of the oldest rocks between 1.91 and 2.44 million years, late Pliocene, left square bracket 10 right square bracket, and is composed primarily of basalt, which is formed by cooling lava. The landscape is mountainous and irregular, and the summit is Cerro-Iglesias at 575.5 meters. Left square bracket 10 right square bracket. In spite of its mountainous character, there are flatter areas between 200 to 260 meters in elevation in the central part of the island, which are said to be a transitional stage of the geomorphological cycle of V-shaped valleys. Left square bracket 11 right square bracket with 4 bays, 3 of them in the north side, Waifa, Chatham and Weston. Cocos Island has a number of short rivers and streams that drain the abundant rainfall into them. The largest rivers are the Genio and the Pitia, which drain their water into Waifa Bay. The mountainous landscape and the tropical climate combine to create over 200 waterfalls throughout the island. The island's soils are classified as N-tissules, which are highly acidic and could be. The climate of the island is mostly determined by the latitudinal movement of the intertropical convergence zone, which creates cloudiness and precipitation that is constant throughout the year. Left square bracket 12 right square bracket. This makes the climate in the island to be humid and tropical, with an average annual temperature of 23.6 superscripto C, 74.5 superscripto F, and an average annual rainfall of over 7,000 millimeters, 275 in. Rainfall is high throughout the year, although lower from January through March and slightly lower during late September and October. Left square bracket 13 right square bracket. Numerous oceanic currents from the Central Pacific Ocean that converge on the island also have an important influence. Cocos Island is home to dense and exuberant tropical moist forests. It is the only oceanic island in the eastern Pacific region with such rainforests and their characteristic types of flora and fauna. The cloud forests at high elevations are also unique in the eastern Pacific. The island was never linked to a continent, so the flora and fauna arrived via long-distance dispersal from the Americas. The island has therefore a high proportion of endemic species. The island has 235 known species of flowering plants, of which 70, or nearly 30%, are endemic. A good comprehensive study on the flora of the island is provided in the journal Proceedings of the California Academy of Sciences. Left square bracket 14 right square bracket. Also, 74 species of ferns and fern alleys, lycopodiophytes and pteridophytes, see left square bracket 15 right square bracket, and 128 species of mosses and liverworts, bryophytes, see left square bracket 16 right square bracket, 90 species of fungi and 41 species of slime-molds left square bracket 17 right square bracket have been reported. Nevertheless, more exhaustive investigations are expected to reveal many more species. The island has 3 main plant communities. The coastal forests extend from the seacoast up to 50 meters elevation. Purple coral tree, Erythrina fusca, coconut palm, Cocos nocifera, and bond apple, Annona glabra, are the predominant trees, with an understory of ferns, shrubs of the Rubiaceae and Solanaceae families, sedges and agasses, and herbaceous plants of the Leguminosae and Malvaceae families. The inland forests extend from 50 to 500 meters elevation. Palo de Hierro, or